Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video today we are going to look at percentage bar diagram in Excel charts. First off, you must know what is percentage bar diagram. Percentage bar diagrams compare the percentage that each item contributes to an entire category. Rather than showing the data as clusters of individual bars, percentage bar graphs show a single bar with each measured item represented by a different color. That is what they have said is, in a percentage bar diagram, each categories of a given data are converted as a percentage of the total categories, and then the each percentages are subdivided into a single vertical bars. That is why this is called percentage bar diagram. In drawing a percentage bar chart, bars of length equal to 100 for each class are drawn in the first step and subdivided into the proportion of the percentage of their component in the second step. The diagram so obtained is called percentage component bar chart or percentage stacked bar chart. Have a look at this example. Draw a percentage subdivided bar diagram to the following data. Here it has been given the item for first 5 years plan and second 5 years plan. The various items are agriculture, irrigation, industry, transport, social services, miscellaneous. So these are all the data they have given. Now we are going to draw a percentage subdivided bar diagram to the above data. To draw a percentage bar diagram, what you have to do is do the following steps one by one. Step 1. Open an Excel workbook and enter the given data. Step 2. Select the cells that contains the data you want to create a chart. Step 3. Click the insert menu to create a chart. Then the tools available in the insert menu will be displayed on the screen. There, choose the chart type whichever you want to create. Then the chart is placed on the worksheet as an embedded chart. If you want to place the chart in a separate sheet, you can change the location of the chart. Step 4. Select the graph and choose the design menu from the menu and click on select data and then click on edit button. Step 5. Select the entered data. Step 6. Now select layout menu and click on chart title in the inserted chart. Step 7. Give the title as percentage bar diagram. These are all the steps we are going to follow to draw a percentage bar diagram. Now we are going to look at the steps visually one by one. First off, open an Excel workbook and enter the given data. So this is the opening screen of my desktop. There you can find the start button. Click here the start button. Then the screen will open. There you can find the Microsoft Excel icon. Click here the Microsoft Excel icon to launch Excel. Then the screen will open like this. Now click here to create a new workbook. After clicking here, the new Excel worksheet has been opened. Now you have successfully launched the Excel workbook. Now we are going to enter the data you want to create a chart. Now the data has been entered successfully. So this is the data we have entered. Now select the cells that contains the data you want to create a chart. So here we have selected the data. Now select the insert tab in the menu bar. This is the insert tab. Click here. Then what will happen is the tools available in the insert menu will be displayed. So these are all the tools available in the insert menu. So these are all the tools available in the insert menu. Now click here to create a 100% subdivided bar chart. Now the screen will look like this. There you can find the option more column chart. Click here the option more column charts. So this is the option more column chart. Click here. Then what will happen is this screen will open. The insert chart tab will open. Now click the 3D 100% stacked column to create a subdivided bar chart. Then the screen will change like this. Now click here to create the 3D 100% subdivided bar diagram and then click OK. So select this part and click OK. Then the chart will be inserted on your Excel worksheet. Now click here to edit the chart title. So this is the chart title. So click here to edit the chart title. Now the title has been changed as 3D 100% stacked bar diagram. So look at here, the title has been changed as 3D 100% stacked bar diagram. Now click here to choose the layout menu. So this is the quick layout. Click here to change the layout of the chart. Then the available layouts will be displayed on the screen. These are all the available layouts. So these are all the available layouts. Here you may choose the layout whichever you like, and we have chosen the layout 4. After the layout has been chosen, your inserted chart has been changed as per the selected layout. Finally, the 100% subdivided bar chart has been created and it has been shown below. So this is the inserted 100% subdivided bar chart. After inserting the chart, do the following to design the chart. First off, select the inserted chart and then click the design tab. This is the design tab. Here we have to click to design the chart. After clicking the design menu, the design layout will be displayed on the screen. These are all the layout in the design menu. There, choose the layout whichever you like. Then place the mouse pointer in any cell of the sheet and then click the mouse. Now the 3D 100% stacked bar chart has been created successfully and inserted in the active worksheet. Now click here to edit the chart title. Now the chart title has been edited as 100% stacked bar diagram. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.